Awesome. Great question so far. What's your next one?
The next one is, what is the difference between my story and the quantum leap process? Is the quantum leap like a more explosive version of the story, or?
So for those of you guys who don't know what, what we call the quantum leap process is, it's about understanding that there's infinite parallel reality versions of you, all experiencing different things, all happening at the same time, right? So quantum leaping, or the quantum leap process, is identifying the version of you in the reality that you want to be experiencing, and then identifying how that version of you thinks, how that version of you feels, how that version of you acts. So it's literally about identifying the vibrational signature of that version of me, and then me then in turn practicing that vibrational signature here and now. And if you can practice that vibrational signature long enough, then your physical reality will begin to mold and transmute itself to map the vibrational signature you're practicing. So that's what we call the quantum leap in the collective, right?
Okay.
So telling a new story is another process where you're simply, a lot of people get stuck in telling their sob story, or telling the story about, this is the bad thing that happened to me. This is the struggle that I keep experiencing, right? A story of, I always get cheated on, or the story of, I can never make enough money, or the story of I can barely get by. So people seem to seek comfort in these non-serving stories. But every time you tell that story, you're pre-paving your future reality with more of that story, right? So in the context of manifestation, what you want to do is A, you want to quantum leap to the version of you that has those things that you want. And B, I would start telling stories that reinforce that version of you that you want to be experiencing as well.
Right.
Does that make sense?
Yeah, I think I got it.
Yeah. So again, they kind of go hand in hand. So quantum leaping, you're becoming that version of you, right?
Yeah.
You're feeling, even though reality doesn't reflect that version of you yet, you're still being that version of you as much as you possibly can. And at the same time, maybe tell stories that reflect that version that you're being as well.
Okay.
Make sense?
Yeah.
Awesome. Great questions. What else you got lined up for me?